Hey guys, my name is Virender and today I am here in JD Fashion Institute in Bangalore. Today's session is more towards mobile photography, and I believe the participant has learned few things related to how they can create good photographs out of their mobile phones. Irrespective of the price mark, irrespective of the megapixel on their mobile phone, we worked on creative photography and also commercial aspects of mobile photography like flat lay, also silhouette photography, levitational photography. I hope the students which currently new to this industry, hope they will create something good and refreshing in tomorrow's world. And also best wishes for the academics and the administration. Give them this opportunity to explore various things. Thank you.